Alright guys, today we're in a 2017 Toyota 86 and I'm by the glove box. I'm going to show you how to install a new cabin air filter, and I have one down here. This one's by Eco Guard and I got it off Amazon. Usually Amazon will have the correct size you need, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the dimensions of this one. This one is about 7¼ by 7 3/16. Then there again, you can go on Amazon and they'll be able to find the correct size for you. So you open up the glove box, and over here you have this little thing holding the glove box. You want to pull that out so it pops out, and then you want to squeeze the glove box and pull it down. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. So you can see these little notches on the right side. It looks like a little triangle. You just push the glove box in, and those notches will pass the little side plastic and you'll come down. So now that we have the glove box down, go ahead and pop this filter cover off, and you'll see that the arrow is pointing down. Now when I got the car, the arrow was pointing up, but I'm going to show you the direction of the airflow at the end of this video, so it should be pointing down. So all you want to do is take the old filter out and then put the new one back in, and I'm just showing you this with the new filter already in hand. And then just put the cover back on. After you put the plastic piece back on, you're going to squeeze the glove box on this side and this side and push it up so it goes up and it doesn't fall down. And then you're going to go to this right side and you're going to pull this down and you're going to put it on this and push it back on. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, take a little bit. There, you hear it pop on. And then you close the glove box, and that's how you change the air filter. Now they recommend you do it about every 15,000 miles or maybe 6 months, depending on how bad the weather is at your house. And this is how you change the cabin air filter in 2017 Toyota 86. Alright guys, so I'm back in the glove box. There's been some people that say the arrow should be pointing up or the arrow should be pointing down. So I'm going to go ahead and test it. I'm going to start the car and see which way the feather blows with the air on. The air is definitely blowing down. That's why the feather is on the bottom. See, I let go of the feather, it's blowing down.